Hi everyone, I'm not in Snowdon, North Wales. I'm in Pakistan, Neelum Valley in Ratti Gali. Look, it's beautiful here. Ratti means red and Gali is valley. So it's Red Valley. I'm in the Red Valley here. This is the town. So beautiful. The Jeel in Urdu. I'm with my friend Raja Shoukat there, right at the bottom there, reading a book. Our base camp is around the corner, that side, about 3 hours away. We've been walking for about 3 hours now almost. It took me about 40 minutes from the bottom of the lake to here. I'm looking to get on top of that ridge there. I was aiming to get onto that mountain there, but the oxygen level is really low here. I haven't climatized myself. I only got here yesterday and it's really tough on the legs. And yeah, the breathing is difficult here. The oxygen level is very low. So I'm gonna give that a miss for another day and hopefully get to the top of there. Ideally, I should be here for about 2 days, climatize myself, get used to the air, the oxygen level is low, and then aim to get to that bad boy there. Hopefully next year, maybe. Looks like Snowdon, that one there. Yep, the Snowdon Peak Track there, and straight up there. Well, the miners track, I should say. It's beautiful here. The weather, they said it's going to be raining, but it turned out to be really nice. Really scenic, really beautiful. Hopefully next year I'm going to be doing this one all the way there, that bad boy there, and come down here. Yeah, get myself in as well, you know, got to be done. Yeah, from Neelum Valley, Ratti Gali. Everyone take care. Miss you guys. Yes, you know. Goodbye.